Who the heck left my floor so muddy? Let me give you a little Kmart haul. Oh, hi! We're going on some errands, and by errands I mean literally groceries and going to Kmart. I know you guys want to come with me, so you're coming with me. Let's go. We're gonna go get a toasty first because I haven't had breakfast because I have no food in the house. Hence why I'm going grocery shopping. So let's go get a toasty. I'm starving. Look at my windows, they're icy. I need to try and fix that. Oh, perfect. It actually wasn't that hard. I thought that would be more icy than it was, but... Don't interrupt me. Oh, hi. The lighting is not the best, but I'm just grabbing my little toasty. And then I thought we could have a little toasty and chat, you know, like a little segment. What the heck is my camera doing? I just heard someone cough. Please don't cough on my toasty. Also, I pulled a cuticle out of my fingernail last night. Look how red my finger is. It hurts so much. Like, it hurts. Ooh. Sorry about the wait. You're right, thank you. Got it. Okay, I got my toasty. Now let's eat it. Also, look at the... Oh my god. Also, look at the leaves behind me here. It's autumn. No, it's literally winter. What am I saying? Ouch, this is really hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. Ow! It's burning my fingers. It's that hot. It's literally just tomato. I just like tomato toasties, leave me alone. It's really hot. But I just want to say one thing and one thing only. I have major trust issues for anybody who says winter is their favorite season. The trees, they're so sad looking, you know, like they're so depressing. It's so cold. Like, I've got my thermals on, I've got my thermal leggings on, I've got my thermal socks on, and it's still chilly, you know. I had the heater on all the way here. I'm fighting demons every single day, and by demons I mean seasonal depression. Like, it is so hard to get out of bed when it's chilly and cold, and I feel like the inside of my house is colder than the outside. Australian houses are built different. They're stupid, but it's so cold, and I do not trust anybody who says this is their favorite season, because, like, number one, I get it, okay? You don't sweat. What else is there to love? What else is there to love? I don't believe you, okay? I don't believe you. I think you're lying. I think you're lying, because summer, autumn, spring, so much better than this. You know what I just realized? This doesn't have salt and pepper on it. Why would they do that to me? Why would they do... I asked for salt and pepper. Anyway, it's still a slay. It's still good. Anyway, I'm gonna finish eating my toasty, my sad, depressing little toasty, and then we're gonna go to my favorite place ever. Can you guess where that is? I don't think you can. I don't think you got an idea. I was hoping for circle ones, but I'm not seeing circle. Oh, the rib is nice. Those are so cute. I actually saw on TikTok that if you put berries in a glass, like mason jar, they last longer. And plus, these are so much cheaper. And I wanted it for berries and like fruit and stuff, so gotta grab some of these. I'm also gonna grab some of these because I really like the look of the rib. And it's so cute, I don't know. Okay, so I just found these, which I think I like more than the rectangle ones. Like, these just look so much cuter. And you can make it airtight by like just pressing that down, and then you can release. You know what I mean? Like, that's so cute. And they're oven safe, microwave safe, so like you can cook in these as well. And I just feel like this would be such cute food storage. I think I want to do it. I think I want to splurge a little bit because these are adorable. Well, these are oven safe as well. I don't know what to do. I'm at a loss for words. I also really like this casserole dish as well. It's very cute. I feel like this fits me more, so I'm gonna buy these instead of these rectangle things. Am I going to regret it? I don't really know. Okay, so I've got my little food containers. Now I might go for a cheeky little browse because it would be rude not to. I also really like this. I kind of want this on my bed. Like summer, I don't know, I think it's so sweet. Let's have a little browsey. I don't think there's any new stuff here. No, it's all the same. I still really love these. I don't know if I want these though. I kind of just want like plain white ones, but this is really cute. Guys, look at all these dressing gowns. This one is kind of my favorite. But then I also like the fluffy pink one as well. There's too many options, oh my gosh. And then there's this one here, which I really like as well, but it's got a hood. Not a fan of a hood ever. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I'm like fully delusional or not, but I found these earrings and I'm not like the biggest fan of the green bits and pieces, but hear me out. For some reason,
They are just like this really pretty kind of gold, whereas most of Kmart's jewelry is like the brassy gold. Do you kind of see that difference there? You probably can't, but this is more of like a white gold, whereas that one is more of a brassy gold. I really like those hoops as well, so I'm gonna grab this. It's going in my trolley. Okay, I'm finally gonna pick up some of these because it's been so long. Also, this mirror, it's gross. I'm getting these. Okay, I've done enough damage. Let's check out and then let's go grocery shopping. Okay, I literally spent an hour and a half in Kmart. Came out with this big bag, but I'm gonna give you guys a haul once I'm home because I just want to get out of here. Okay, it's so busy and crazy and I'm just like, I spend one more minute here, I'm gonna go insane. So we're gonna head out of here. The car behind me. They are so close to my car. I thought he was gonna hit my car. We're good, we're fine. I did film a lot more, by the way, but it will be on my TikTok and eventually on my YouTube shorts, so keep an eye out for that. But for now, I need to get the hell out of here because there's so many people, there's so much going on. I'm just like, oh my god, let me get out of here and let me go to the supermarket because that's what I originally left the house to do, get some groceries. But instead, I spent an hour and a half in Kmart. Oh my god. All right, we're at the grocery store. Tell me why, when I was in Kmart, why did I not buy a phone tripod for my car? I want to like be able to stick it up there because this angle feels cute. That's really good lighting. At the moment, I'm literally just using this thing. This is my tripod and I sit it on my dash and I put you guys there like, hi. But I would love to have one that's like right here. This feels intimate and cute. Intimate, I don't think that was the word I was going for, but anyway. Also, I have a little esky for like my colds. Oh, my foot. Who the heck left my floor so muddy? I've been taking me and my friends around places. Who left my floors so muddy? I will find you. I really want to get like a really nice chutney because I've been having rice cakes at the moment. I just want something to like quickly spread on them, but I don't know. Caramelized onion and balsamic. Oh, that could be so yummy. I don't even know which one I want. It's so loud in here, by the way. I'm so sorry. Sweet mustard pickle. That's $7. Holy shit. Gherkin relish is kind of singing my name. I'm not gonna lie. Caramelized onion and balsamic chutney. I think I want to try this. This sounds really yummy. It's only $2.80 if it's disgusting. It's fine. Let's get one of those. Oh, my shoelace came undone. I don't even know what we're having for dinner tonight, so I think I need to call Tyler and ask what we're having for dinner because I don't know. Oh, I also need some aioli. Vegan mayo? No. Where is the aioli? It's gonna be right in front of me. I know it. Garlic aioli? No. Oh my god, it's right there. Plant-based garlic aioli. Slay. I'm dairy-free, by the way, if you guys don't know, so that's why I get the plant-based stuff, so then I don't have to worry about the dairy. I want some olives. Oh, which olives do I want? Oh, anchovies, yuck. Green olives pitted. They could be good. Oh my god, they're $6. I need a cheaper alternative. Okay, Tyler's not answering his phone, so I have no idea what we're doing for dinner, but I gave up on the olives. They were way too expensive. I'm just gonna cut my losses. Okay, I need some pasta sauce. I'm gonna grab this one. And then I'm also gonna grab this bolognese one. They're only $2.75 each, so bargain. My favorite pasta. Might try these veggie ones too. Some of these. I do love me a jelly cup with fruit. It's just such a good, that's puree. No, that's not what I'm after. I personally feel like these are such a good way to get like a little bit of fruit, but in, you know, a quick, simple way, if that makes sense. And they're just a good snack. Like maybe they're full of sugar. It's still fruit, you know what I'm saying? And it's jelly. Like, there's not that many carbs in some fruit and jelly. Oh, I just dropped that. I want to start making smoothies. So I need to go to this frozen fruit section. Okay, frozen fruit is so expensive, by the way. So I'm just going to get regular, normal fruit. I'm trying to find a new body wash because mine's run out and they don't have the one that I currently use. This one smells amazing. And that's on clearance. It's like $4. Yeah, this could be nice. It's coconut and vanilla. Then they've also got this palm olive coconut one. Oh my gosh. That is literally stunning. $7 though. Okay, this one's $3. It's frangipani and coconut. Not my favorite. This one's macadamia oil and something I can't pronounce. Yeah, it smells like a grandma. And then I also need to get Tyler. He loves this stuff. Okay, I wanted to grab some canned fruit just for smoothies. Oh, peaches. Look at some peaches. I think that'd be so good. And I wanted to get some pineapple slices because I want to start making smoothies. I say that I'll just end up eating the fruit pieces alone, but I want to try and make smoothies. That's my plan. I needed to grab some coconut water, so I'm trying to find that. This Coles is not my usual Coles. Obviously, I shop at Woolies, hence why I've got Woolies bags. But I really like this Coles more because it's got more variety for like a dairy-free queen like myself. But I don't know where everything is. Oh, coconut water is up here. All right, let's grab some of this. My mum has been after these for the longest time and they have them here at Coles. And I sent her a picture. Ow, that's so sharp. There's a sharp bit that just got me. I'm not bleeding, but ow. She texted me wanting 10 of these. Yes, sis. 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. There you go, Mum. You're welcome. These caught my eye. I really want to try them. Mum also wants me to grab these crackers for her. So that's my mum's little corner. This is me so far. I still need to get fruit and veg. Oh my god, this is going to be so much money, but a girl's going to eat. These are my favorites, so I'm going to grab the last 2. I am trying to find the sourdough, but apparently I'm blind. I cannot see the sourdough for the life of me. It's right in front of me. Right there. Perfect. Wanted to grab some of these. They're just so good for little wraps. Love them. I'm gonna grab 2 of these because they're $3.50. The fuck? And I'll grab a little chocolate protein put. Just a good little snack, you know. And then I want a tofu. Stunning. Ooh, black pepper tofu. I'm gonna grab some of these because these are just really good for snacking. Yummies has like a garlic dip and I'm not seeing it anywhere. Okay, never mind. Man, they got dill pickle but they don't have garlic. What the hell? We need some red onions. Oh, these look good. I don't know what is up with our local Woolies, but every time Tyler and I buy the red onions, they're always so yucky and gross and they have been for months and I'm like, what is happening? These ones are fresh. Yay. Oh, I haven't had an avocado in so long. Gotta find a good one. 2 for $3, that's a deal. That one feels pretty good. I'm gonna grab a couple of lemons. What is it, 4 for $5? I really only need 3 lemons. The thing I love about these is that I plant them at home and then I have my own plant. So I did it with the basil and it's thriving. It's doing amazing. So I just bought a little coriander because I've been having coriander on everything lately. That is insane, by the way. Guess how much this is gonna be, guys, without skipping forward. Guess how much this is gonna be. I don't even want to know. Where's the zucchinis at? Before? Hello, zucchini. This one looks pretty good. Slay. Right, now let's get the hell out of here because this is too much.
If you have a Coles app or Popeyes card.
What do you mean that was $170? Alright, so it's currently the next day, hence the outfit change, but I thought we could try these together. Super sweet, super cute. And also Kmart haul. Obviously, what do you mean? These cookies, they're zesty lemon and white chocolate chip cookies. I don't know, something appealed me to these. Oh, that's what it looks like. Let's give it a go. Oh, I don't know if you got, okay. That just went all over my floor. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got little pieces of lemon in it. I love these. 10 out of 10. Okay, now let me give you a little Kmart haul because that's probably what you guys are here for. So I originally went to Kmart for food containers, food storage. Did I just get food storage? No, absolutely not. You know me. I got these fluted jars, 700 ml, and it's glass. We love that. But I saw something on TikTok that said if you store your berries and things in mason jars, then they stay fresher for way longer. Because I'm sick of buying berries and then I get home and they're moldy. Like, sit the fuck down. Sit down. Plus, they're kind of cute. Like, the design on them, super sweet. They're only $2.50. I got 2 of these. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, I wasn't lying. And then I also saw these, which I thought I could store literally anything in, like leftovers, chopped up veggies and fruits and stuff. I don't know. I thought they were cute. These are 800 ml porcelain containers with a glass lid, and you can actually pull this. Ruined my display, but anyway, if you pull this up, it releases the air, so you can, you know, open the container and then you press it down and it makes it airtight. And like, I can't open that. I'm actually struggling. You see my hand shaking? And like even as a bowl by itself, cute. This is also microwave safe, oven safe, and dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. So I can like cook stuff in this if I wanted to. Love a little bit of versatility. I want another one of these cookies. Hang on. Now I couldn't help myself. I bought a dressing gown. This is the printed fleece gown in the natural check color. $25. I also have a dressing gown. It's my pink one. I love it so much, but it's a little bit too thin for winter. Like I'm freezing in that, okay? That's my summer dressing gown for sure. So when I saw this and it's fleece on the inside, that's gonna keep me nice and cozy because I have a fleece blanket that's like super warm. So I know the fleece is a good idea. And I did buy a pink one as well. I really love how pink looks on me. It makes sense. This is called the Coral Fleece Gown in the pink mix color, and this is $20. $5 cheaper than the other one. Okay. Picked up this bronzer in the shade Sunkissed, and I've been wanting to try this for the longest time, and I will do a makeup video trying these products out, so keep an eye out for that. But I got a bronzer. I also got the liquid blush in the shade Peaches, so I wanted to try that one out as well. And then I also got this lip gloss. I thought it was cute, but I'm super excited to try these. I love the packaging most of all. I love this packaging. It reminds me of Glossier, but these are only $5 each. That's my kind of price range. And then lucky last, I bought these earrings. Could not go past these. These are called the Emerald Stone 6-pack. I don't really know how much these were. I just kind of picked them up and put them in my trolley without a second thought. Will be wearing these once my seconds heal. I cannot wait for this to heal because your girl will be stacking and I can't wait. So yeah, that's everything I got from Kmart. I am actually pretty proud of that session. Like 2 dressing gowns, some food storage, and some makeup and earrings. That's a good shop in my opinion. I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. I will see you in my video hopefully on Thursday. Bye.